Welcome back to the Stoic Trader. Today I want to share with you guys my deep analyst of GBP Austin November 14th, 2023 make a return of nearly 2% per trade. First of all, I want to appreciate everyone for visiting my channel and spend your time on this video. Stay with me to the end and I promise this analyst is short, simple and very informative for your next trade plans. I've been following the USD pairs for 2 weeks, and it looks to me now every pro traders and hedge funds also pay a look at this possible setup. First, we need to identify the supply and demand zone via H1 timeframe. We need to look at the recent points, somewhere that represent activity of the market. We can see in the past, there was a huge bullish ride, so let's find our supply and demand around that. We have a high, then a new high after the small break. Follow that we can see huge buyers make the bullish on the market. So our supply and demand zone should be targeted here. Now, return to daily timeframe to find the trend of this week trade. It's a thin rejection bullish candle on Friday and a thick bullish Monday candle. These two closing candles are more likely to confirm our buy positions for the week. Now we need to find an entry. We go to smaller timeframes. In my case, I use M15. We can see that the previous Friday and Monday candles withstand the pressure from the seller. This can make a solid resistance zone. All we have to do is be patient and find an entry. After the small breakout, this is the place you can find your entry. I enter the trade when it breaks. The rest is yours now. Let the market do the work. Price rockets when CPI news released. Always use stop loss for risk management. I don't trade the news, but this one is exception. I secure the profit but closing 80, the rest is just experiment some swing. If you find this analyst useful, give us a like and subscribe for more.